this sucks. We all know the feeling when it starts to rain and you can't get out on the trails. I usually take this time to adjust my bike and tune up anything that needs fixing. Lately my brakes have been feeling a little mushy, so now's a perfect time to bleed them. These are one of Shimano's lower end hydraulic disc brakes, but they work exceptionally well compared to mechanical ones. I ordered this bleed kit from Amazon for about 30 bucks. Let's see what it comes with. You get 4 syringes, some tube adapters, plastic tubes, some tube clamps, a disc brake spacer and some Allen keys, some adapters to fit your brakes, some basic instructions on which adapters to use, a brake lever strap, some surgical gloves, and a number 8 wrench. Alright, let's get started. Take one of the syringes with the screw hole and insert the hose adapter. Attach the hose and secure it with the nut. Take the regular syringe and pull it apart. Insert the hose and use these yellow clips to secure it. Now you're set. Grab some mineral oil and one of the 2 adapters used for your Shimano brakes. You'll know which one to use once you take off the dust cap. Before you install the syringes, make sure you level out the brake lever, just to prevent any air bubbles from getting trapped. Remove the dust cap and install the syringe. Now fill up the other syringe with mineral oil. Remove the dust plug and insert the syringe. Depending on your setup, you may need to remove this brake bolt to access the valve screw. Use one full turn to open the valve, and then start applying the mineral oil. Close the valve and tap your brake hose to remove any remaining air bubbles. Unscrew the syringe and replace the dust cap. Test your brake and compare it to the rear one. Once you're satisfied with the firmness of your brake, you can remove the syringe that's attached to your caliper and replace the bolt and plug. Now the same principle can be applied to the rear brake. The only difference is lifting your front end of your bike up, just to make it easier for any air bubbles to travel through your brake tube towards your brake levers. And there you go, this bleed kit from Amazon is a pretty good one, and not a bad way to save some money and get that firmness back into your brakes. Let me know if this video helped, and if you'd like to support the channel, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and as always, thanks so much for watching.